the tools you're gonna need. It's very basic. All you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a very small flat screwdriver to be able to remove those small jets. So you're also gonna need an 8mm wrench and a pair of pliers, of course, or 38 idle jet that we're gonna be replacing. So let's get into it. You want to use the right size Phillips because these are pretty soft. These are like the softest screws that you will ever work with. So you want to be careful and put pressure into the screw before you twist. You want to proceed and pull off the bolt from the car, just like that. And what you're gonna find here is your main jet and your idle jet, which is this one that is inside here. Let me just give you a closer look. This is the jet that we're gonna be replacing, the one that is inside there. That's the one we're gonna be replacing. You don't want to be playing with anything else in here. That's only the jet that we're going to replace, the one in the inside. That's it. Flip that over and we're pretty much ready to swap that back into the scooter and give it a shot to see how it runs. That's it. Once you have everything connected, make sure everything is nice and plugged. We connect our heaters and everything. We're ready for the test ride. So let's give it a shot. The first thing you want to do, if you happen to have the fuel tap, what you want to do first to fill up the bowl in the bottom, you can crank the scooter so it creates that vacuum and pop the fuel. Or you can actually grab your vacuum hose, take it out from here, and vacuum with your mouth so it delivers some fuel into the bowl without damaging and running that much the electric starter. So for me, it's pretty easy because I got a manual pet cup, so I just gotta open that up and let it run for a few seconds, so I'm sure the bowl is getting some fuel. Well, I rode it like for 4 miles and it seems to be perfect. It seems to be idly perfect, so I'm not gonna be touching the idle screw, but if it happened to you, all you gotta do is just twist these screws just a tiny bit. Just by turning it to one side or the other, you will see how the rev of the engine goes up or down. That's basically it. It's actually a pretty simple installation, a pretty good upgrade for the bike. It feels nicer, you know, so it's a good upgrade for 10 bucks. You can just do it as simple as that. So make sure you check the links down below in the description if you want to get yours at thescootabout.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Remove your clip first, and instead of pulling the hose like this, you don't want to pull it like that. What you want to do is use some little pliers. If you like, just pull it like that instead of pulling the hole with your fingers. It's a lot more easier, and you know, removing that.